New year, new team. Super excited with the team we have around us. A lot of familiar faces. Yeah, it's been a great transition so far. It's been pretty easy, pretty smooth, and yeah, so last year was supposed to be my rookie year, and unfortunately had a few setbacks and didn't get to race the full Supercross season, but got a few races under my belt and got some experience, and then got mostly a full outdoor season under my belt. That was a great learning experience. Had some highs, had some lows. Got myself a podium and a fastest qualifier, so I know I have the speed. I know I have what it takes. So
let's talk about the new look. Look at this look. Looks good. Rockstar, energy, popping, man. I'm stoked. No, really excited. The look, to me, looks really good. I think everyone agrees. We're ready to go racing, having fun. So far, so good. The whole team is doing a great job so far preseason. Look good, feel good, ride good, race good, win. Quote that, baby. Signed and sealed. That was good, dude.
Yeah, last year was my rookie season. Learned a lot with the bike and just with the team. I'm excited to step into my second full season of racing. Just learned a lot about showing up every weekend and yeah, being consistent and always being that guy. So yeah, not too much different with the team this year. We have Sean Murphy stepping over as our team manager. Justin Barsha as a 450 guy. I rode with him all last season. Casey Cochran, I've known him forever and it's cool to be on the same team as him. I've grown up racing amateurs with him forever, so to finally be on the same team is really cool.